Morning students. Today we read about the matter. You know, matter can exist three states. Everything that have mass and that occupies space, that have mass and that occupy space is known as the matter. Is known as the matter that have the space and occupy and have a mass. Everything like duster, like chalk, book, air, all have weight and they also occupy the space. That is why they all are the matter. But feelings like we happy, we sad, it is not matter. It cannot take space. It doesn't have this weight. Okay, so things that have weight and that occupy space is known as the matter. Matter can exist three states. Three states are solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, matter is made up of the molecules. Molecules are a smaller unit of matter. So in solid molecules are very tightly packed. No empty space is found between the molecules of solid. They are very tightly packed like this. Molecules are very tightly packed. They have definite volume and definite shape. They cannot easily change their shape. Okay? In liquid, molecules are loosely packed than solid. Molecules are loosely packed than solid. And the volume is fixed, but shape is not fixed in liquid. They take the shape of container in which we put it. Okay, like milk. If we put the milk in bottle, they take the shape of bottle. If we put the milk in glass, they take the shape of glass. So no fixed shape is found in the liquid because their molecules are loosely packed. And gas. The molecules of gas are very loosely packed. They are very far away from one to another. They know where and there. Very loosely packed. No fixed volume and no fixed shape are found in gases. So matter can exist three states: solid, liquid and gas. Matter can change one state to another state by changing the temperature. When we apply the temperature on it, it can change the shape. Suppose we can talk about the matter of water, state of water. We can talk about the state of water. Water also matter. It has space and it has volume. Okay, so matter, water also exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. It can change one to another by changing the temperature. The solid state of water, which is the solid state? Ice. Ice is a solid state of water. Okay? When we heat the ice, when we increase the temperature, it can change into liquid state. And the liquid state, this is a sign of heating. Okay? We can denote by triangle. This is the sign of heating. So no need to When we heat the water, when we heat the liquid, it change into gas. Gas means here water vapor. Okay, this is the change of state. Same as when we decrease the temperature. When we decrease the temperature, it means when we cool this again change into gas to liquid, liquid to solid. It means when we condense, when we cool the gases, it can change into liquid and liquid can change into water. For example, when we make the tea, when we take a pot and after the boiling of tea, when we put the plate on it and after few times when we take out the plate and see on the downside, we can see the water droplets that is found on the surface of plate. It means water vapor, when water vapor wants to go upward, when it goes at the surface of plate, so it can condenses, and after condenses it can change into water droplets. This is the state of matter. Understand? Next is we can read the features one by one. First is the solid. Solid have fixed shape. Their shape is fixed. Definite shape. Shape. Their intermolecular force are strong. Intermolecular force are strong. Next, higher density. Volume fixed. Okay, higher definite shape. Intermolecular force are strong because they tightly pack. Higher density. That is why mostly solids are sink in water. Volume are fixed. Okay, so this is the features of solids. You write in your notebook and learn it. Next, we read about the features of liquid. In liquid. So the features of liquids are liquid have no fixed shape. No fixed shape. They volume are fixed. Shape are not fixed but their volume are fixed. If we put 1 liter milk into bottle, they are 1 liter. If we want to put in glass, they also in 1 liter. If we put in bowl, they also in 1 liter. So the volume are fixed but their shape are not fixed. They take the shape of container. Okay, liquid flow. less compressibility found. Then solid. So this is the features of liquid. You write in your notebook. Next is gas. Do not have fixed volume of shape. Fixed volume of shape. Higher compressibility. Intermolecular force are